Hey guys, I got a new trailer. It's pretty cool.
Cool.
It's got wheels. It's got a vise. I bet it could give you really good advice. Hey, it's got some straps. Pretty cool, right? If you're into that, of course. Strapping. It's got that. And it's got a left light. It's got a light here too. I call it the boing light, but it's a brake light, but it goes boing. It's got the things for the straps. Come in close, come in close. All right. Take a look over here. It's a turn signal. It's got a leg, but it's got a wheel on the leg. Looks like it has a leg up on the competition. It also came free with some sticks. It's kind of cool. If you're into that, of course. So it's kind of cool, this trailer here. Definitely needs a little tender love and care. A little bit of love. The wood all needs to be replaced. The wiring needs to be redone for the turn signals and brake signals. I could use a good old scrub down and a new paint job maybe. A little rattle can work wouldn't hurt. But other than that, I think, I got myself something pretty good. The tires are all really good. It's got straps. It's got a vise on it so I can put stuff in the vise. And no, I don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't know why it's there. But I might use it, maybe. I don't know. That's future me problem. But other than that, I think I got something real cool here. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's not too old. It's not too new. It's something that's kind of in the middle. But I hope you like it, like I like it. But not like, but like, Not like that, but like, Anywho. Thanks for joining me on this wonderful journey. I hope you've just been titillated by all this medium. And if you happen to be especially titillated, maybe you can like this video and subscribe and share this video with your friends, because I'm sure they'll be quite titillated as well. And as always, stay rusty. So maybe do one where you're like pointing here, but then you pan up to that and zoom in on me.
Okay. 3, 2.
Not pointing the camera at me. Pointing the camera at me.
Well, you said point here and then do that.
Point the camera there. You're funny.
3, 2, 1. Totally look better.
Probably.